as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a day in my life summer edition. So let's just get on with the video.
This is why I want to go. So they're
fighting. Hey guys, so we're just at the ATM right now because apparently we have to pay for parking. Stupid.
I'm trying to be like.
The beach is right over there. I can see it. Let me show you. You see it over there? Little water. We're here. Yep, we're here. Super chilly, but it's good. Okay guys, so it's very windy and my hair feels nasty from the water, but I took some pictures. Let me show you right here. I don't think I'm gonna go under the water this time since I already got all the pictures I wanted. So yeah.
I got my feet covered. So we digged our friend up, my cousin.
Help me! Help me!
I'm gonna stand on here.
Should I try?
Shot. She can. Yay! Now that you have to run in the water to clean your.
Follow me! Follow me! So now I'm just tanning. It got more sunnier outside. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Just chilling, went in the water. It was so cold, but it was fun. Played some mermaids. I look so busted.
No.
So we just got out the beach. Kinda burnt. And now we're going home because he wanted to go. My hair feels so sticky.
Mom,
I'm gonna just drink my Sprite.
$18.
Wait, come on. Okay, so we're back home. Finished my McDonald's. I think I got a little tan. I'm just gonna chill because I'm tired. Probably watch some Netflix. So I just looked in the mirror. Turns out I got burnt. Wear sunscreen, guys. Wow.
why take a video?
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
It's not for me to say.